Thank you for joining me in this video. My name is Tarun Rati and welcome to the Breed Business. And the good news is we have added a new product called the pet print umbrellas. These umbrellas, they're like super high quality and they're available for every possible and popular pet breeds. It's dog, cat, or whatever pet you can imagine, we have something for them. So let me show you this new product. So once you have the app, you need to click on the Business Fulfillment tab because you can see all the products in there. Okay, so if you don't have it yet, then you can see the link right under this video which says Get App. Click on that and get the app, and you'll have access to all the products. So for now, let me just show you the newest product in the group. It's called Umbrella. Adding products using this app is so easy. Just click on Start Here to choose product, and it will immediately take you to the product database. We have like 13,000 designs and total 400,000 variants, and all of these designs they're created in-house. So there's no competition, everything is fresh. So here are the product types. We have 21 type of products. So let's jump to umbrellas, the latest in the catalog. Okay, let's just wait for a while. Here we go. Umbrellas are beautiful. They look amazing. They are like designed by professional designers. You can see them, and they're highly targeted to pet lovers. So suppose if you want to target this particular product, all right. So who's the targeted audience? It's the people. The product name is Akita Dog Print Umbrella. Akita is a breed of dog. So you simply need to go to Facebook, choose country as US or Canada or Europe or Australia, and then in the interest choose Akita and simply target this product. So these, like, we have just added this collection, so you are like assured to promote a fresh product right out of oven. Okay, they are beautiful. They target all the cat breeds also. This is like American short hair cat. It's one of the cat breeds, and this is so beautiful. Let me show you some more of the umbrella designs in one of my store. Here you see it. These are like super quality umbrellas, and you can easily sell them for like $50 or $55 because your audience, they are the pet lovers and they have never seen it before, right? And because we have just released this particular product line into the app, so this is your best time to jump on it and start promoting them now. And there is no rocket science. You can log into the app dashboard, go to the home section, all right, and in the home section you will find all the training videos. Actually, that's a kind of link to my blog. I'll just show you that. See, here we go. So under the what's new category, you can see all the popular videos that has really helped the Breed business member to scale their business, and you can click on see all announcement and you can check my blog. They're all video free access, and you can learn how to immediately start using them. So umbrella it is. Just go ahead, shoot campaign. We have cat, we have catfish, wow, and then we have bearded collie dog. This particular design covers a lot. You can target it to in the occasion like Valentine's, maybe next year. Then we have fishes, and even in the fish we have breeds. Like Ephra slit breed. I'm sorry, I can't pronounce it properly. It's Archely stang, and then we have Blackmore goldfish. So we have even fish, and then we have dogs, and these are like some fun unicorn designs. Kids would love them. And then we have special Rushmore style umbrellas for Yorkshire Terrier. So a lot of it is there, and just go ahead and shoot the video, shoot the Facebook ad campaign. First, make sure you install the app. Then you click on choose product, and then from the choose product, go to your desired categories. We call it product types. All right. Let me show you one more thing quickly. When you choose a specific product like umbrellas, then in that case, you can check the supplier price. Supplier price is the price that you will be charged once you sell a specific product. For example, umbrellas are $35. As you can see, it's 35 means it's like the supplier price is 35. So you need to sell it for at least like $55 to $60. so that you can make around $20, $15 to $20 in profit, which is a very healthy margin in retail business. And of course, it's going to build your brand. You're going to build a list of customers, and eventually you don't need to pay to Facebook. You're going to make a lot of money, a regular income, by promoting it to your list without any advertising cost. Okay, so this is the supplier price. So once you sell anything, then you will see this particular order in the app dashboard. You need to click on it, pay by PayPal. And once you make the payment, then the order is immediately transferred to the supplier, and they will start creating the product for you, and they will ship it to your customer under your name. All right, it's totally white label. We do not print any name on it. So it kind of refers to your brand. So this is amazing, amazing and beautiful design. Just go ahead and start promoting them. If you don't have an app, get now, because right now it's like super, super cheap for you. And as and when it's getting popular, we are going to increase the price so that we can keep the competition, keep the number of people in limit. Okay, so that's all in this video. Hope to see you promoting umbrellas very soon. Thank you for watching this video and have a great day. This is Tarun Rathi. Bye-bye.